In this video, the Virgin Voyages accessible Seriously Rockstar Suite. I'm going to be walking you through how this room is laid out so you can understand what to expect and how is it different from the accessible to the non-accessible suite. What are the differences? All of that and more coming up. And if you're new here, ahoy, I'm Christine Lozada. Support this channel by booking your sailing with us. We will get you the best deal out there. And even if you've already booked, price compare to make sure you have a lot of sailor loot on your sailing. More info in the description below. Let's take a walk into the accessible suite, which the door itself is wider than a standard door. As you come into the cabin through that wider door, you'll notice it's the same as a non-accessible Seriously suite in that the vanity is the first thing you'll see, but you'll notice that there's more room as you're coming into the space. It's just a little bit wider. The next thing you'll notice right away is that the bed location is a little bit different. So in this video, a standard Seriously suite, the bed normally faces toward the balcony. The bed faces toward the sea terrace, right? Here, it's laid out in a little bit of a different way. So there's more room on each side. And I'm sure you're noticing something else that's different. Instead of one single closet, so this video is the standard Seriously suite, the closet here is one single one, but in the accessible room, you have the closet on either side. The bed, just like other Rockstar rooms, is that single, nicer, more comfortable mattress that cannot be split, so you can still anticipate that. You still have your full bar, that's still the same. Obviously, your Rockstar agent will help you to get all of the items that you want on your bar switched out once you're on the ship. Don't forget to watch the Rockstar Perks video. This is part of an entire series, which if you're getting some value out of this video, cheers that like button, consider subscribing, and tell me in the comments when you're setting sail. I would love to know. And book your sailing with us. We really will help you to get the best deal out there. Plus, you'll have the help of two experts who've sailed Virgin Voyages over 50 times collectively. The next helpful thing to know is around your terrace, your sea terrace, your balcony. And when you open the sliding door, you will have this availability of the ramp, which kind of closes off that gap between the room and the terrace. So this is something you can expect as you're coming out onto your balcony. The next helpful thing to know is around the bathroom. In the bathroom, you're still gonna get those Rockstar robes, of course, and slippers, but the shower layout is different. And so it has that accessible shower with a different kind of seat, right? This seat actually comes up and down versus in this video, this is your Seriously regular suite where they have the standard layout, almost all the Rockstar showers look the same, more or less. But in the accessible suite, it looks a little bit different here. The other key thing that's different in the bathroom is the sink. You don't have that really big sink like you do in the other Rockstar bathrooms. It looks slightly different. The other thing you'll notice is that the door leading into the bathroom is wider as well, but these are the main differences between the Virgin Voyages accessible Seriously suite versus non-accessible Seriously suite. If you got some value out of this video, cheers that like button. Book your sailing with us. This video is part of an entire Rockstar playlist. Come join me in the next one, and I'll see you over there. Ciao.